Hello, my dear children. As we all know, we have started our new topic, Chapter 9, India, My Country. We are all proud to be Indians. Yes, children? And India is our motherland. Now, in this chapter, some very interesting facts are described related with our country, India. So, after reading this chapter, you would be able to tell any person what things are so special and unique related with our country, something which is very unique about our country. So let's get started. So, are you all ready? Yes. Come on then. We will be reading this chapter and I will explain it to you. So let's begin. Would you like to know more about your country? Here are some interesting facts. India is the seventh largest country in the world. The Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean surround it on three sides. The Himalayas form a wall in the north. Did you know that India was named Bharat after a very brave ruler of ancient India? Bharat was the fearless son of King Dushyant and Shakuntala. He could count the teeth of a lion's cub while playing with it. The national flag of India reminds us that we are all citizens of one nation, even though we belong to different states and speak different languages. The color saffron stands for courage, white for truth, and green for life. The chakra or the wheel in the center is blue and has 24 spokes. So children, here in this page, they have described about our country's geographical features wherein they are saying that India is ranked among the seventh largest country. So India की position कहाँ है? Seventh largest country of the world. Then it has got water or water bodies on three sides. So the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean surround it on three sides. The Himalayas form a wall in the north, and Himalaya mountains जो हैं in the north of our country, they are like a barrier, like a wall, and they protect our country. In the next paragraph, they are talking about how India got its name Bharat. And it was given this name, it was based on the name of the fearless son. Fearless का मतलब होता है जो किसी से डरता नहीं है. Fearless son of King Dushyant and Shakuntala. So in ancient time there was King Dushyant and Queen Shakuntala. Their fearless son was named Bharat. तो उसी के नाम पे इंडिया का नाम भारत पड़ा. एंड ही वॉज फियरलेस चाइल्ड. ही कुड काउंट. और ये कैसे पता चलता है कि ही वॉज फियरलेस? बिकॉज ही वॉज एबल टू काउंट द टीथ ऑफ अ लायंस कब वाइल प्लेइंग विद इट. तो लायंस के क्लब के साथ खेलते खेलते उनके दांत भी गिन लेता था. सो ही वॉज सो फियरलेस. उसे किसी से डर नहीं लगता था. Next, children, they are talking about our Indian flag. As you can see here, we all know in our Indian flag how many colors are there? Yes, three colors. Saffron, then we have the white color and green color. So, they are saying that the color saffron, each color has a meaning. So, saffron color, it is for the courage. ताकत के लिए, हिम्मत के लिए. दैट इंडियन पीपल आर फुल ऑफ करेज. बहुत ही बहादुर होते हैं, बहुत ही निडर होते हैं. एंड दे आर करेजियस. वाइट इज द सिंबल ऑफ ट्रूथ. वाइट क्या दिखाता है? सच्चाई, सच. सो इट इज अ सिंबल ऑफ ट्रूथ. एंड ग्रीन स्टैंड्स फॉर लाइफ एंड प्रोस्पेरिटी. हरियाली, खुशहाली, है ना, उन्नति. ऑल दैट इज शोन बाय द ग्रीन कलर. एंड इन द सेंटर, सेंटर में क्या है? ये चक्र है. द चक्र इज देयर विच इज ब्लू. उसको ब्लू कलर से करते हैं. एंड इट हैज गॉट 24 स्पोक्स. इसके 24 ऐसे यू कैन सी spokes are there. So this is the description of our national flag. Now let us read the next page. Now every free nation has a national emblem. Our country has one too. You can spot it on coins, currency notes, etc. It has 4 lions facing the 4 directions, and the wheel in the center has a bull on the right and a horse on the left. The words Satyamev Jayate are inscribed below. Jana Gana Man is the national anthem composed by Rabindranath Tagore, while Vande Mataram is the national song composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The lotus, a symbol of beauty and purity, is the national flower of India. It is the strong and powerful tiger, which is the national animal of India. The national bird of India is the beautiful peacock. India celebrates 3 days, national days. They are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So children, in this page, the national emblem has been described. अगर आपने करेंसी नोट्स देखे हैं या कॉइन्स आपने देखे ही हैं, सो ऑन द नोट्स एंड कॉइन्स यू कैन इजिली सी दिस एम्बलम. और इस एम्बलम में क्या है, 4 लायंस आर देयर. इसमें से 3 लायन हमें दिखते हैं एंड 4th वन जो है वो क्योंकि पीछे है इसलिए वो हमें नहीं दिखता. सो बेसिकली देर आर 4 लायंस. तो वो 4 डायरेक्शंस को फेस करते हैं, नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट. ओके, एंड एज यू कैन सी देर इज अ बुल हियर. अ बुल इज ऑल्सो मेड हियर. द बुल इज ऑन द right side and on the left side there is a horse. This is a horse. So, and Satyamev Jayate is written. Satyamev Jayate means truth always triumphs. सच की हमेशा जीत होती है. So this is the emblem of our country and it was given by King Ashoka. You will read about him in history also. So this was given by King Ashoka and this is the emblem of our कंट्री, नेशनल एम्बलम. कोई भी गवर्नमेंट का पेपर या कोई भी ऑफिशियल लेटर आता है तो दिस एम्बलम इज मेड ऑन इट. देन कमिंग टू आवर नेशनल एंथम, वी ऑल नो हमारा नेशनल एंथम क्या है. यस, जनगण मन है ना, हम लोग गाते हैं असेंबलीज में ऑन इम्पॉर्टेंट नेशनल डेज. सो दिस इज आवर नेशनल एंथम. एंड डू यू नो चिल्ड्रन, ये किसने बनाया था? दिस वॉज कंपोज्ड बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. ओके, वाइल जो हमारा सॉन्ग है वंदे मातरम, दिस इज द नेशनल सॉन्ग एंड इट वॉज कंपोज्ड बाय बंकिम चंद्र चैटर्जी. तो दीज टू great people gave us these 2 important you can say compositions. One is the national anthem and the other one is our national song. तो ये दोनों चीजें हमें मिली हैं रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर से और वंदे मातरम बंकिम चंद्र चैटर्जी से. देन वी ऑल नो नेशनल फ्लावर क्या है हमारा, लोटस. नेशनल एनिमल इज द टाइगर. यस, वेरी नाइस. एंड नेशनल बर्ड वी ऑल नो what is the national bird, peacock. And 3 national days are celebrated in our country. Independence Day, स्वतंत्रता दिवस, फिर Republic Day, गणतंत्र दिवस, and last is Gandhi Jayanti. So these 3 national days are celebrated. Why they are national? क्योंकि पूरा देश इसको celebrate करता है. So they are national. Now here the important words which are given to you. Let me tell you about their pronunciation. Surround, fearless, citizens, then the word is Dushyant, Shakuntala, then interesting, then the word is Chakra, then you have the word emblem, inscribed, currency, composed. Okay children, so this way we are going to read and pronounce these important words. That's all. Now in our next class I will give you a video showing the various important interesting facts along with a explanation. Thank you children and have a nice day.